Maat 804. Maat 804. Healing from within. This is going to be a very short video, but it is going to be a phenomenal healing to millions of people all over the world. Because we're going to do this very experiment here that is going to set a million free who are in their sick bed or heading towards their sick bed. Okay, healing from within. Ever wondered who heals the doctors, the native doctors of old, the ancient doctors of old? Who heals them? What doctor do they go to? Ever wondered? Ever asked yourself that very question? The birds of the sky, who heals them? What doctor do they go to? Fishes under the water, what doctors do they go to? Ever wondered? Great sellers that will sell for moons in the olden days, that will sell for moons, all the way from the north to the west, all the way from the west to the east, selling murky waters, unknown waters, filthy waters. Who heals them? Ever wondered? Our men and women that go to space 6 months at a time and they stay there and they come, who heals them? You see, this is a secret that the doctors are holding patent, but today we're going to let it out to you. In darkness, do we not suffer? In darkness, do we not suffer? Darkness, darkness throughout the land of Egypt. Do we not sacrifice our wellness? But today we are going to bless your life. Okay, add more years to your life, add healing to your life. This is LTB Life Premier Member #1, coachEmen, reaching you live and direct with Maat, healing from within us. Maat 804. We've been doing it from day one, and today is the 803rd day. 804th day. Okay. Before we do that very magic, right here, right now, before you give you that very art, we will complete the spiritual call, and that is to call you that is watching this very video wherever you are. Doesn't matter if you're black or white, if you're from Argentina, Australia, Asia, however far and near you are, so long as you're watching this very video, you're closer to the door to become healed, and you're closer to the door to become wealthy after this very calling. Follow the link that is provided right here below this very video. If you follow successful people, you too will become successful. Great mentors begin to build what they are building, and you too will become in control of your life. We appreciate your presence here. Our spiritual exercise is the 10-day spiritual exercises. As you can clearly see, it is not a bulky work as such. It is not information overload. It is carefully graded spiritual exercises that strengthens you mentally, spiritually, and physically. Okay? We don't want to prolong this very work. So right now, healing comes to us from within. Healing comes to us from the universe. We tap healing from the universe. Doctors will not allow you to know this, but you can be able to do it from the convenience of your own house. You see, what we hold patent is the mantra, but when you download our work, you're going to get that very mantra. But the secret is right now given with water, ordinary water. Our fathers lived long years on earth looking very youthful and healthy. Their eyes, they didn't lose their vision until maybe the last 2 years of their life. As a testimonial, for over 26 years, I don't know any doctor. No, I don't know any eye doctor. I don't know any dental doctor. We have it. Energy, healing. To the eyes of the naive, you would say, but where is the power? Where is the source? But we're giving it to you every morning of your life. In the morning, don't give mist command into this very water, because you're going to get diverse results. The command is very simple. Our mantra is very, very simple. We placed it in 3 seconds inside this very water, but to reach that very mantra, okay, to your own good health. If you drink water for medicinal purposes, it will serve you the purpose that is medicinal. Okay, we are going to round it up now. That's it. To so many people, they will not believe, but we have saved millions. Okay, every morning of your life, you do it. It shall be well with us. I think we've done it for the day. At the end of this very video, remember to like it and share it and subscribe it. Hey, this is healing that you're giving to your own people, to your own land, to your brothers, to your sisters, to your mothers. If you cannot be able to say to them, pass on this very video. It is gold in your hands. It is great seeds planted that can be able to sustain you on it. It's no more than 10 minutes. It's not even up to 7 minutes, but it can begin to make wonders happen in your life. Okay, follow the link that is provided here and download your own ATB light and get to that very mantra. That very mantra that begins to do it. Doctors don't want you to know this, okay, but you've known it. All right, you know that it's very easy for you to tap healing from within, okay, and pass it on top of the waters. Okay, the Spirit of God dwelling upon the waters. Allow the Spirit, the right Spirit, to dwell upon the waters, and then drink it and see what the magic is. Okay, we love you. We appreciate you. Let's work together as a partner. Let's work together as a team. Coach Emen, I'm going to sign off now for the day. Okay, remain blessed. Thank you.